So if you want to fix Arknights Endfield, it's not launching or won't work on your PC, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you want to start with the basics. Now, there are some PC requirements or some requirements here in order for you to play the game. So, in this case, you need to make sure that you meet at least the minimum requirements here, or at least the recommended one. Because sometimes minimum is not enough here, so that's why recommended is what you're targeting. Now, if you don't meet the following requirements here or recommended PC requirements, well, the game or the Arknights here will not run properly. So, again, make sure that you meet the following requirements. But if you do not meet this, well, that's the problem. Now, if you're still having problems and you're sure you meet the requirements, well, next thing that you want to do is you want to guarantee that everything is up to date. Now, for example, you want to make sure that Windows is up to date. So you want to go to your search bar here, just type in update, and you want to click on check for updates. It should open up Windows Update. And if you do see updates in here, you can go and just click on check updates. And if there are any updates, just make sure to install them and restart your PC. Now, you want to make sure that you are also updating your GPU. So sometimes for newly released games, updates would also be given on certain GPUs. So you want to open up your, in this case, your driver for your GPU. So if you have NVIDIA, you want to open up the NVIDIA app. You have AMD, go and open up AMD here. Now inside the app itself, like for example in NVIDIA here, you want to go to your drivers and you want to go and just click on install and just basically or update and basically wait for the update to complete and just basically restart your PC. And finally, if none of this actually work, the final and last thing that you want to do here is you may want to close certain apps or software or anything that is running in the background. Now, especially if you're running like browsers in the background or any other games, you want to go ahead and close that up. So in this case, just press Control Shift Escape in your keyboard. That should open up Task Manager. And again, you want to select your browser, any applications running in the background, any like for example if you're running Discord, go ahead and just try closing that up, right click on it, click on end task, and again just do it for every other apps here that you're not using. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.